mechanical pencil full of lead. Like I could really go to school with this. I'll smack you on your ass, give you a red bottom on some bougie shit. I love your cooking, but your seasoning ain't half as nice. I mean, how you got so much attitude, but still be lacking spice. I keep the Carmex on me, making sure my lips ain't chapped and white. Even your parents love me. They took a nigga kayaking twice. Next time we argue, you gonna be royally fucked. Cause if you don't back down, then I'ma leave the toilet seat up, and that's when shit gets ugly.
Face first.
That's when shit gets ugly. Sometimes I feel like this chick don't love me. I'll tell you to your fucking face, we cannot afford to get no puppy.